Hello everyone, welcome back to IT Code channel. In this video I'm gonna show you how to hide or show up your desktop icons for a while. For example, here right now I'm recording my PC screen and I probably want to hide all these desktop icons during my record and then show them up after I finish or when I need. To do that, simply right click on any empty place on my desktop, select view, then disable this option, show desktop icons. Now you can see all desktop icons are hidden. To show them up again by the same way, right click on any empty place, then select view and enable this option, show desktop icons. Also, we can customize system icons including this PC, network, recycle bin and control panel. For example, here on my desktop the control panel icon is not showing. And also I will customize this PC icon here. To do that, simply right click on any empty place on my desktop and then select personalize option. If this option is not showing on your PC, here on the bottom left corner, search about settings, click on settings, then select personalization section, then here on the left hand side, select themes tab. Under themes tab on the right hand side, you can find desktop icon settings option, click on it. It will open this dialog. Now you can see computer, user files, network and recycle bins options all are selected. That means they are showing on my desktop. If I want to hide anyone, you can simply check it off. Let me check it on and also check this control panel on to be showing on my PC desktop. Also to customize any icon, for example, I will customize this PC icon. Click on it and then click on a change icon button. I will change the icon for, let me select this small picture here. It's pretty cool. Then click OK. Then to save the change and make change take effects, click on apply button. Then click OK. Let's get back to desktop. Now you can see on my desktop the control panel is showing up and here is the new icon of my PC. That's all for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button down below. I would really appreciate it. Also, if you have any question, don't forget to leave your comment. It's my pleasure to reply you. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.